Hello, this is the new Acerbis Handguards for Himalayan 450. I bought it from Koramangala Race Motor Store, which has been recently opened around, I think a couple of weeks ago or a week ago. So I paid around 9,000. It consists of a full handguard plus the installation mounts. So you don't have to buy anything outside the market. So it comes with the package something like this. This is what the packaging looks like. The color I have chosen is red and white. It's a very contrast color with my bike's color, which is white color, the Camet white. These all things which comes in the package. The two knuckle guard. It's very strong. It feels very strong. These are made in Italy. That's what it says. These are the mounting equipment along with these two guards. Let's open up what all we have. Yes, I have one cool looking sticker from Acerbis. Okay, I'll put it aside. So the box contains some screws and bolts, some brackets, and one user manual. I'll read this and install accordingly on my Himalayan 450. And these are the lot of jewels I have. Lots of nuts and bolts. I think it is for the adjusting purpose because there is no specific motorcycle mentioned in this equipment. They mention it is like a universal fit, so I believe these mounts will be used for installing into various motorcycles. And I think for a Himalayan 450 it will be not so many things required. It's a direct fit with a couple of longer bolts. How it will fit is like I think it will be something like this, and my handlebar will be going inside this. Okay. And the other end of the guard will go inside the handlebar. The longer bolt which you see here will go inside this one. Let's install the motorcycle. So looks like the stock fitting is not going to work with this Himalayan. So as you can see, this one, it will not go inside this, because even if I remove it, this slot we cannot take this one. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I have bought some separate bolts, hex bolts with a longer thread. It's around M8, and which will go inside this one, and which will lock this one. Let me show you how it is done. Okay, I'm going to remove this bar end, wait, and let me show you how it looks like, the stock from the factory. So this is the bar end, I have removed it, and this is the stock hex bolt size which goes inside and locks this. So as you can see, the size of the bolt slot given is very small, or there is a possibility if I can remove this complete thing out and then put this bolt inside that one, which I think it will be a little too much complicated. So what I have done is I have bought the bigger bolt. Let me show you that one. Okay, so you can see here the two different sizes of the bolt. Okay, so the bigger one I am going to put it inside along with the bar end. Okay, so it will go like this, which will go inside this one, and which will also take the place of this silver bolt which comes as a factory and will lock the knuckle guards. Okay, let me show you what I have done for the other side. So this side I have already installed it, and I will show you how it looks like. So now it fits quite well. I have locked it nicely. Sorry for the background noise. Okay, let me install the other side also and show you the final one. So we install this on the handlebar side. It comes with the two different sizes of the brackets, and see. So I'll choose the thinner one, which can go easily and which will take up the space there. Let me show you. Thinner ones compared to the other one. Fit like this. It will go like this. Okay. And the other one. Fit like this, and we can lock it. Let me install this one first. This side I am going to install first, and then I will install this side. So finally the guards are installed. It has become little dirty because of the grease coming from here. I will wipe it off. Okay, you can see looks nice. The bolt is installed clearly, and it looks like this. The front view. Here is my wife sitting on the bike. She helped me a lot in fitting the Acerbis handguards. So this installation video is the first of a kind for Himalayan 450. You will not find any other video for Acerbis original handguard being installed on the internet. So please give a thumbs up to this video. Thank you.